Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to learn about Bootstrap JS Alertify JS. Okay. So now in previous videos we have completed that how to add to cart and how to view the cart details, right? So now I wanted to show that if I click to add to cart, I should get a alertify type or a message, a return message that it is added to cart, already added to cart, right? So as we can see in our console log, developer tool. So if you put inspect and then we'll go to our networks over here. If I click add to cart, we are getting the response, right? So it is successfully read my thing is added to cart, but I want the message also, right? So for that we have to set a alertify thing. So guys, now we will use Alertify.js. So let's open a new tab and tell Alertify.js notifier or bootstrap, you can just mention with it. So let's tell Alertify.js and let's move to Alertify alertifyjs.com. Let me click. So we are going on the direct domain, and now guys we will see how to getting started with this. So first we will click on it and you can see guide.html extension, and let's see the versions. Everything is v1 13.1, and now you have to use Alertify CDN links are available. So as you can see, many things are there. You can view and use its component as per your requirements. So but I need this notifier. So let me open a new tab and let me see how it works. Let's see and run. Okay, so it's coming sample, right? So let's click on this position. Everything is perfect. Over here also top right, cool. So you are getting that alertify thing. So to use this we will use that. So guys, first thing, it is showing the JavaScript file. So you have to copy this and include in your file. So this is our front end blade layout where we will be using it. So let's paste it. If you want directly you can paste, or else we can tell that Alertify.js. If you want directly use it, or else include in your CSS file and link it. Let's use currently for direct and use this also the CSS purpose. Let's Control C and V, go to the top and paste, right? Done. Let's tell Alertify CSS. Done. Save this. So guys, to test this, first we will run one simple script. Hit enter and type script script, and let's paste that whatever we are getting directly. Let's go to this and copy it. Instead of copying this, we will copy without any functionality thing. Let's tell success message. Okay, so let's copy this, Control C or right click and copy and paste. So once I reload the page directly, it should say success notification message. Let me go and you can load the page. Yeah guys, so here we can see that message over at the bottom right. Done. So we are working on it's working fine. So now we will copy this link and include it in our public file, because in future it may get updated. So there is, let's take this and create it, copy and create the file. Inside public directory assets min.js. Let's right click and create a new file called alertifymin.js and copy and paste. Control A, C and V, Control V. Save it. Let's close this. Close it and call the correct file, correct path. Let's call first set it. Let's call it assets /js and then your path. Let me call this curly brace asset function. So inside that asset function we will call the path. That's it. Then same with work edit and then cut with the CSS also and then paste it and call the path. So let's use alertifymin.css and now let's create a new file and paste that alertifymin.css and copy the data of it and paste it. Let's paste, save, and let's close this file and call the path. So let's call the path with the correct name. So the correct name is alertifymin.css. That's it. Saved, and let's run one more time to check the output. Let's hit enter on it by clicking on the URL. Done. So you are getting it. So guys, now as you can see that remove this and let's go to our custom JS file where we were adding it. So this was the output, add to cart. Once we click the output, we are getting a success message, a response status. So this status you have to show in your cart controller. So let's go to this add to cart web.php over here. So this is my add to cart, and then let's go to this controller add to cart function, and this is our add to cart function. And when you are returning that, you have to check, see here, when you are returning response status, so this is the status value which we will get. So this status value, you are getting the response over here also and here also. So copy that response and go to your JS file. After success, it will show over here status. Done. So that's it. And now let's save this and let's view the output on it. Cool. So let me click on it, and now let me click to add to cart. Add to cart. Cool. Redmi K Alertify added cart. Nice. So now you can easily fetch the things and add to cart. Let me view details and let's add it. Let's tell add to cart. Click add to cart. Add it to cart. Done. So once added to cart, you can see over here also, you can view the output of it, that it's added to cart. Redmi Y2. Done. So guys, this video about showing Alertify message after adding the cart, the success message, we have completed. So next video we will be learning about how to show this add to cart functionality over here also in simple, in short video. So just a demo purpose, I wanted to show how we can use this same code of adding this cart in it. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.